Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable ribbon Valentine's Day wreath. What you will need, I have this adorable sign for the center, a wreath ring, pink, white, and burlap ribbon, Chanel stems, and scissors. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut my pink, white, and burlap ribbon into 8-inch long pieces, and I've cut my stems in half. I'm going to start placing them on the wreath ring. I normally use a 14-inch wreath ring. This is my first time using the 18-inch wreath ring for the ribbon wreath. I will link the other wreaths I've made in the description box down below. So when I'm making this one, I'm going to just kind of add the ribbon and see how it looks to see how much I need. But I am going to add to each individual ring as I go around. And I'm actually going to cut my stems into fourths. Since I'm attaching the bundles to each individual ring, I can use fourths and won't have to worry about so much excess stem left over. So I'm going to take my burlap, crisscross with the white, and also with the pink. I think I'm just going to go with 3 colors to start off. Scrunch it in the center. Take my fourth of the stem and twist it around my bundle. Just like that, and then I'm just going to attach it to my wreath ring. Alright, so I'm going to get more in place. And as I go around, I'm going to alternate the color order. You can keep them all in the same order if you prefer to do it that way. I just think it looks more fun this way. So I take my bundle, twist the stem, and this time I'm going to place it on the center ring. And the bundles will move a little bit, but once we get more in place, they will be more stable. So just like that. And I'm going to add one more to the inner ring. And this is with the bundle on each ring. Once I place all the bundles, I may go back and add an additional bundle to the outer ring, but I kind of want to just see how things are looking. And it also just depends on how much of your sign, how much will be visible around your sign. So I'm going to take all of that into account as I'm adding my ribbon bundles around my wreath ring. I also kind of flare out my bundles as well so that I make sure all the colors are visible and it looks so cute. Again, they will move a little bit as you're placing them, not to worry. Alright, so I have all of my ribbon bundles in place. I did go back around and add in an extra bundle to the outer ring. You can definitely add even more if you choose to do so. You can add any additional embellishments you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But, oh, and you could also leave it like this. It's so cute and precious just like this. I have done that before. But since I have this adorable sign, we're going to go ahead and add that to the center for our final finishing touch. Going to take 2 stems, twist them together to form one long stem for the top, and then just place a single stem at the bottom since the sign is more narrow down here. Okay, so I'm just going to place the sign in the center and push my ribbon to the side, take my stem and twist it to the actual wreath ring. And make sure it's nice and secure. And then just replace your ribbon. Alright, so I have added my adorable sign to the center and adjusted my ribbon around my sign. You can definitely finish it off here. You can add in any additional embellishments you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. But it's so cute, simple, and easy to make.